2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, heated front seats, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.